Now here's a good looking van, and you'll see why in a bit. No, it's not a Swift, not a Swift at all. I'll actually take you round to the front first. Now it's a 2014, so as you can see it's on the old shape, and it's actually a Knaus. It's a Knaus Van TI 600. Now just look at it. Look at the colours on it. It's, what shall I say? It's mid-season grey. That's what I'm going to go for. Now it's 2014, and I always think for a continental van that you always get more for your money than a British van. Just an opinion. There's nothing wrong with British vans. I love the British vans, but a continental van, there's just something that appeals to me. And this one, because even though it's a 2014 van, it's just got that modern feel. So it's 6.68 metres long. We've got the awning, and then at the back we've got a good size. I'll be able to show you the garage. Have we got the keys? No, I've lost the keys. I found the keys. So I'm just going to show you. We've got the garage. Good sized garage. We've got the bike rack inside as well. What else have we got? Gas bottles. So that really is a real good sized bed. And you're guessing there is going to be some form of fixed bed at the back. So just lock these up so I don't forget. So where's the little boot gun? It's on the Fiat, as you can see, it's on the Fiat Ducato. It's only done 18,000 miles, a 2.3 diesel, so that's more than likely going to be a cam belt. This van's got loads of service history, every year actually. It's 3,500 kilograms, and the length, I said the length, into 6.68. Now let's have a look and tell you why I feel this van's such a modern looking van. So let's make our way inside. So, as you can see, we've got the dinette area. These are two belted seats. So if I just get them out there, we've got the belts, and they've got really, let's put these lights on. There we go. So, nice lockers, really nice lockers. I really like the table. And again, this will, ooh, probably break it, won't I? What have we done there? Trust me, it does swing around. And again, I know it's not a big kitchen, but it's what the continental vans are like. They never are big kitchens, because a lot of the way in Europe where the cooking and everything's done is generally outside. So again, we've got another cupboard above as well. And the star of the show is the sink, and I love this top. Look at that. It's got a feature there, it's got curves. So that's a really nice tap. And then 3-burner hob, which again, all continental vans, you're going to get this type. Well, look again, there we go. Standard anyway, we've got the fridge, but again, we've got curves. Just open that up, look at that. Curves. Curves. And it's, again, we've got a skylight above, 2 skylights, and then let's just move to the middle of the van. I haven't gone really. So we've got the wardrobe, good sized wardrobe with the TV aerial in there, and then again, look at that built-in telly, up and down, and then we've got another cupboard in there. Now just before we carry on, dead simple, really simple control panel, and then we have the Truma heating and hot water, so we can use it on the gas or electric. I don't know what that's for. Nice fly screen across. And then this fan just keeps giving. So as you can see here, we've got the washroom, we've got the cassette toilet, and then also obviously the shower, and then here we go. We bring that around, and we've got the wash area. We have 2 single beds at the back of the van, 2 good sized single beds. Underneath again we've got more storage, and don't forget what I showed you earlier, the big garage. More storage at the back with the lockers, and look at that. Now I don't know if this, I don't think it does actually, no, that just stays 1, Yeah, one area there, yeah. So we've got the single beds, we've got the two windows either side. But for a 2014, it just has that modern feel to it. Again, another skylight above. So there's a quick look at the Knaus, and it's just a real impressive van for its age. Like I say, 2014. I don't know what's this going to cost, whether it's going to be around 40,000 or above. But why I'm here, we've got the from the feed the cattle, we've got the air conditioning, we do have the blinds, also the blinds in the driver and passenger seat. So even though it is on the older cab, and obviously what is it, 9 years old now, it just feels modern. I just get good vibes from it. Ideal for two people going away in, perfect for touring around. And then you've got the two single beds at the back. The washrooms, decent size. Obviously you can turn it into the shower, or you can turn it in and just use the sink. And then I think this kitchen area is ample. And then my favourite part about it is the tap. So if you've enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.